Welcome back. The next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to create the chat heading, which is just an image of the chatbot and also kind of the username or some information that it's online, something like that. And I'm going to show you what I mean by going to Bootstrap because I'm going to use a Bootstrap class called media. And as you can see, this is what we need is just an image and the name of the person. Of course, it's going to be a chat bot, so it's not a person. So I'm gonna just copy this part, and in our project I'm gonna add it and edit few things. Let's copy it and get back to our project. So in our project, just below the H1, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna paste it and I'm gonna fix few things. Firstly, what I need to do is that I'm gonna add a class instead of this to the image, which is the rounded circle, which is going to display the image inside a circle. And then I'm gonna also use the float left because I want the image to always be on the left side. And I'm gonna also use the image thumbnail because obviously I just want to display a thumbnail, not the full size image. And I'm gonna also use the width because we don't know how big the image is that we are going to get, so we need to make sure that it has a specific width. So I'm gonna make it 75. If you want to make it, let's say 100, it's up to you, but I'm gonna use for now 75 and test and see if that works well or not. For the H5, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove this class and instead I'm gonna just use a style and I'm gonna just add margin of 10. And instead of this text, I'm gonna remove this text. A span, we need a span to display that this chat bot is online. So I'm going to remove this and instead I'm going to add here span, and then inside it I'm going to first use a style equals to margin left and it's going to be 10. And inside it I'm going to just display online. And of course, this should be, let's say, chatbot. And that's it. Let's now test and see how this looks like. And if I refresh, as you can see, we have the chatbot and the online word, indicating that it's online, and also the image. Let's add an image so that we see how it's going to look like. So I already have this image. I'm going to paste it inside the source. You're free to use whichever image you want. You can just get an image from the internet, or you can add an image in your project and display it in the source. So I have this image, a link. I'm going to just add it. And let's test again, refresh. And as you can see now, it looks perfect. Now we have this kind of avatar and the chatbot word indicating that this person that I'm talking to is a chatbot and it's currently online.